Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixie Bob Hairstyle Guide. May Allah give you health, wealth and success in every field of life. Today I brought to you very amazing and latest collection of long bob haircut ideas. I hope you like this video. If you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video can reach you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.